How to set WhatsApp about permanent and 1 month duration. 2026. Did you know WhatsApp now lets you control exactly how long your about message stays visible, from a few hours all the way up to one full month? And you can also set it to stay permanent forever. In the next 2 minutes, I will show you exactly how to set both options step by step. Let us get into it. Welcome back, I am Daniel, and today we are covering WhatsApp's updated About feature in 2026 and how to set your About duration to permanent or 1 month. Let us go. First, what changed with WhatsApp About? WhatsApp completely upgraded the About section in late 2025 and rolled it out globally through 2026. The old About was just a permanent text line on your profile. The new About works like a smart temporary status system. You can now write something like in a meeting, out for lunch, or traveling and set it to automatically disappear after a chosen time. You can also add emojis to make it more expressive. Your About now also appears directly inside your chat conversations, visible as a small bubble under your name in the chat header, so your contacts can see your status without opening your profile. Now here are the available duration options. WhatsApp currently offers these timer choices: 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, and 1 month. For a permanent About that never disappears, you simply select No Expiry or Do Not Expire when setting your About. That keeps your message on your profile indefinitely, just like the old About system worked. Now here is exactly how to set it step by step. Step 1. Make sure your WhatsApp app is fully updated. Go to the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone and install any available update. The new About duration feature requires the latest version of WhatsApp to appear. Step 2. Open WhatsApp and tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner on Android or tap Settings at the bottom right on iPhone. Step 3. Tap Settings, then tap your profile name and profile picture at the very top. This opens your profile editing page. Step 4. Tap About. Your current About message will appear. Tap on it to edit it or write a completely new message. You can include emojis alongside your text to make it more expressive and personal. Step 5. Once you have written your About message, look for the duration or timer option that appears below the text field. Tap on it to open the duration selection menu. Step 6. To set your About as permanent, scroll through the options and select No Expiry or Do Not Expire. Your About message will stay on your profile forever until you manually change or delete it yourself. Step 7. To set your About for 1 month, scroll through the timer options and select 1 month. Your About message will automatically disappear from your profile exactly 1 month from the time you set it. WhatsApp will show you how much time is remaining on your About so you can extend, shorten, or replace it at any point before it expires. Step 8. Tap Save or Done to confirm your About message and your chosen duration. Your new About will immediately appear on your profile and inside your chat conversations for your contacts to see. Now here is one extra thing worth knowing. When your temporary About expires, WhatsApp saves it in a private archive that only you can see. This means you can go back and review your past About messages anytime and reuse a previous one without having to retype it. Now, what if the duration option is not showing up for you? First, make sure your app is fully updated, as this is the most common reason. Second, log out of WhatsApp and log back in to refresh your account. Third, if the option still does not appear, your account may not have received the feature yet, as WhatsApp is still completing its global rollout throughout 2026. Simply wait and it will appear automatically. Pro tip: use the 1 month duration for professional or lifestyle About messages that stay relevant for a long period, such as available for freelance work, on maternity leave, or studying for exams. Use the shorter durations like 1 hour or 2 hours for real-time updates like in a meeting or driving right now. This keeps your profile accurate and saves you from having to manually update your About every single day. So to recap: update WhatsApp. Go to Settings, tap your profile, tap About, write your message, tap Duration, select No Expiry for permanent or 1 month for a timed About, and tap Save. Simple, fast, and completely official.